Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well guys. I'm Ishfaq Hussain speaking from Punjab, Pakistan today. Uh, Early in the morning, it's 7 a.m. I am here to see the progress related to the trees which I have planted a few months ago. And I also have some activities to do here. So I have done all the jobs which are required. And now I'm free. Thought to give you a glimpse of this beautiful desert. So I'm free to chat, free to talk about things which interest me, interest you. If you are familiar to this situation where we are living in this desert and grow different kind of crops like chickpea and wheat crop and other crops like guar crop, bajra, and many other things for the animals. So I am here doing my things. Today, one of my neighbor invited me to come join him to repair his tube well. Unfortunately, for last few days, he is having some trouble with his tube well, and he called me just a few moments ago to please join him to finish the repairing procedure. So now I'm heading towards his tube well, where I would join him to help him out uh, for this situation because it requires to provide water to different crops which are grown on the tube wells after certain quantity of time. I mean, uh, that's it. And the tree which you are seeing before me is bear. Bear, we call it in our native language, bear. Does not produce any fruits. So we'll wait for a few months, see. So it's a few moments ago. It looked like it's gonna rain, but everything is disappearing, and the sun is also appearing. As you can see before me, behind the clouds, the sun showing its warm, and I'm walking toward the place where the man called me. And this is a different situation, guys, where we live a very, I mean, lonely. But now it's getting populated. Just few years ago, there was, I mean, one and a few tube wells installed. But now you can see after each, I mean, 200 meters, you can see tube well is installed, and everybody is interested to grow different crops because they see some financial growth in their economy. So that's why they are really interested. You see everywhere their tube well are installed, and because the solar system is a little bit expensive though, so people start with the, I mean, traditional way of irrigating their lands, like they install engine. Hmm. पिछला पार्ट यानी काट ली So guys, we have found the fault. Actually, there was some kind of problem with the ejector plate which is installed in this area. So we have replaced that suction plate which preside inside this drum. So now after replacing, we are checking, we are filling this whole pipe with the water, and we'll try to start the engine. We'll see if we have solved the problem. So he's pouring, I mean, dropping water from above in this big pipe. Then he will start the engine. I'll stay here inside this well and help him out by moving this belt. So he Can feel the ease of moving the engine. Oh, it's a very terrifying place to stand inside. So now he's moving the engine. To check it out. So we will do it 5 to 7 times to suck the water up. This is the second time that he's moving the engine. Let's go outside. Take all these tools. So this is third time. And we will do it again. The water will suck. Fetch up towards the exit. कितनी दफा हो गए? हाँ let's see. टाइम लैस ही 5-6 बारी 4 दफा हो गया 4 दफा हो गया ना हुण 5वीं बारी Guys, finally we have done it. We've solved the problem. That's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed the video.